The Aussie versus US dollar raced up to, or didn't race up, but wandered up toward its high price from last week's trading, only to find willing sellers against that level. What next for the currency pair? I'll go through that in the video, so let's get started. The high price from last week on the 4-hour chart here in the Aussie versus US dollar extended up to 0.66683 and then rotated back to the downside into the close on Friday, closing off at that high level and trading here today. The Aussie versus US dollar moved higher in early Asian session. I'll zoom in and you can see that the high price that came in right through here in the European session did stall right near that whole high price from last week's trading. We've seen the rotation back to the downside. Taking a look at the hourly chart, you can see that the price decline is somewhat modest, and we're still even above the lowest levels of the day. But if the double top does lead to buyers turning to sellers, we could see further momentum to the downside. The downside could see the price head back down toward the rising 100-hour moving average in trading last week. Recall, the price did come down to that level, break a little bit below that level by it looks like about 3 or so pips before rotating and surging to the upside. There is some history with the 100-hour moving average, and it is rising, getting closer to where the price is. So wouldn't rule out a rotation back down toward that level if this double top can stay in place for the Aussie versus US dollar. So buyers had a shot taking the price above the 0.6668 level in trading here today. They missed, and that may tilt the bias a little bit more to the downside, at least in the short term, for the Aussie versus US dollar on that failure. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.